What's going on, Bunkie Lifers? Today we are excited to welcome over 400 of you to our third annual barbecue open house. This time we are doing tours of our new factory and we're super excited to have you all. Everyone else is super excited to see our other bunkies, which are the Haven, Chalet, 2019 No Loft, Summer Cabin, and 2019 Loft. We are super excited to introduce our two new bunkies, the Stowaway and the Rockwood. Both of those bunkies are about 160 square feet, non-lofted models.
Awesome, and we're just about to have the very first ribbon cutting. So we've got clients, we've got prospective clients, we've got as many babies as we can get in this ribbon cutting, and let's just do this.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So now we got a beam table that's all mechanicalized. All the beams get compressed with compressed air plates, so you don't have to worry about them being off center or so they fit in good. Our saw has accurate measurements that measure all for the grooves, and we have a huge blade that just chops them all in. So these will fit right into your gables, and yeah, they're 3-ply. These are for Chalet.
And I got the 2018 Bunkie with the Loft. And it's because my son and I bought a great big piece of property up near Bracebridge. And I kept going back to Bunkie life again and again because it's Canadian. The quality and the way it's put together it made it so easy, and the price.
Containers. And here's the before and after photo. So this is my view from the Bunkie.
That's cool.
Right? My girlfriend just had surgery, so she was my cheering section. You know, and then this is so exciting and so cool. And then I was like a Tim Hortons ad.
I like you staying in the windows before you, right? That's smart.
We did, yeah. Staining the windows before they went up was probably one of the best moves because keeping on a ladder as much as possible. Like,
suppliers.
So when we were building, it was amazing the number of vehicles that would just slow down as they passed the property to look, be like, what's going on over there? And I find now that it's stained and the roof is on, when you're coming up to the property from the main intersection, it's kind of like a beacon. You're just like, oh, there it is, because it's a farm property, 3 acres and fairly bare otherwise.
I'm Jessica, and this is our Bunkie life story.